Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ansari. I am 27 years old. I am from Deoband, Uttar Pradesh, India. My educational qualification: after 10th and 12th, I completed diploma in elementary education from Delhi University. After that, I completed graduation from CCS University Meerut. Then I completed B.Ed from Ma Shakumbri University, Saharanpur. I qualified CTET, UPTET, RTET and KVS written exam 2023. I teach science and math here. Due to feel a special attachment for children, I choose this profession. I have 6 years experience in teaching. I have been teaching in V.I.A for 4 months. I follow learning by doing approach, so students respond to my subject and teaching with active participation and full of enthusiasm. Students and I share thoughts and views each other and have a strong bond. Vision International Academy can successfully utilize my teaching skills, capabilities and abilities and enrich them. That's why I choose it. I try my best with all to make V.I.A grow. Thank you.